number 4, this is the last one I'm going to be able to do because I got students coming back to me, and I'm hoping that I'll get some students to record some of these others. That's kind of like the nerd teacher in me. I like to see the students work it out. So check out some of the other graphing videos and maybe you'll get to see them work it out. But number 4, whenever you converted it to slope-intercept form, it equaled y equals negative 3x minus 3. Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my y-intercept, which is negative 3. So I'll go down negative 1, 2, 3, so right there. And I've got that plotted. Now, when you look at your slope, I know it's a negative slope. It's got to be going downward like this, okay? Because it's a negative slope. But you're like, I don't see a fraction there. Well, you can turn any number into a fraction by just putting it over 1. So I'm going to put that 3 over 1. So this means that my rise is 3, but my run is 1. Let me show you what that looks like. Now remember, it's got to be heading downward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rise up 3. So I start here and I go rise 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to run over 1. And I'm going to put a point right there. Okay? So you see I'm still doing rise over run, but I went to the left so I can make this line go downward. So it kind of takes some getting used to. But I'm going to do my rise over run again. So rise 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to run over 1. I'm going to put my point right there. And I'm going to do it again. Rise 1, 2, 3, run 1. Alright, I'm going to extend my line down this way. So I'm going to still do rise 1, 2, 3, and run 1. And that's probably good enough. So now, whenever I connect my points, it makes a straight line. I'm going to show you how I grade this. The first thing I would do is I would say, okay, well, let's look. Y-intercept should be negative 3, and I see y-intercept, negative 3 right there. See that? So that's good. We're good on that. The next thing is I have a negative slope, so that means this slope should be going downward. Okay? So we're good on that. The last thing is my rise over run should be 3 over 1. So I can check that right here as I can see rise 1, 2, 3, and run over 1. There we go. I hit that line. I'll try another place. Rise 1, 2, 3, run over 1, and I hit the line again. So that's good. Graph number 4 is graphed perfectly.